Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're talking about a car brand that many people mispronounce. Buick. Is it Buick or maybe Buick? Let's get it right once and for all. The correct pronunciation is Buick, rhymes with music. Let's break it down step by step. First, BU, like the start of the word beautiful. Next, ick, just like in kick. Now say it with me. Buick. One more time. Buick. Great job. So, what exactly is Buick? It's one of America's oldest and most famous car brands. Buick is known for smooth and luxurious rides, premium yet affordable cars, being the foundation of General Motors. Fun fact, Buick was founded in 1903 and played a huge role in shaping the American auto industry. It was also one of the first brands to introduce the turn signal. Now the spelling tip, it's spelled B-U-I-C-K. Some people might want to spell it Buick, but remember, it has a C-K at the end. Now that you know how to say Buick, you can talk about it with confidence. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves cars. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.